Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Near Protocol's price chart, and unfortunately our bearish pattern in here actually got confirmed, and the fact that we are above this line doesn't mean that the pattern is invalidated, at least yet. You see, if we remember in the previous update we talked about the potential of having a beautiful head and shoulder structure, and I said what you do not want to see is an initial move under the line followed by that a pullback to the neckline and then a continuation of the move down in order to take this low. And by any standard, I think we can say this pattern is now confirmed. Now, you might say, well, okay, right now we are above the neckline, and that means that this head and shoulder may not work. That is not really how it works. You see, a head and shoulder is going to get invalidated when we get a move up in case of a bearish head and shoulder, and in that move we take the height of our right shoulder right in here. There we go, and it's about like $2.6. Now, the importance of this high are twofold. Number one, well, because it is going to invalidate our head and shoulder if we get a move up and take it, and number two actually comes down to Elliott Waves. Let's go around here. Okay, you see, if you want to say we're gonna have our final top around this area, maybe this is like a very important resistance, then off of the highest high you must be able to find a beautiful 1 2 3 4 5 wave on the downside. Let's go on the live chart. Okay, so here's the deal. If you want to be bearish in your protocol, you can say maybe this is 1 2 and then 3 4 5, and this might be like so far at least another 1 and a 2, but on a lower degree, and then we're gonna have another move down into wave 3 4 5. This scenario can happen, but every single possibility should have an invalidation point. And what's it going to be for this one? You know it, it's taking this important high once more, about $2.6. Why? Because if we take it at that point, finding an impulse in this whole move on the downside, a complete 5 wave, is going to be a bit of a struggle. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's like absolutely impossible at that point to find a 5 wave. No, it is possible, do not get me wrong, but the shape of it is going to be a bit odd to a degree that is going to make me say maybe that's not going to be our primary case, and instead this 1-2 scenario is happening, meaning we are having in here 5 up into 1 correction for wave 2, and the current move up hopefully is going to be into wave 3 and 4 and 5, which on a higher degree at that point, this whole 5 wave up starting from this point is going to be into a larger degree wave 3, excuse me, there we go, and then we're going to have correction for 4, another move up into wave 5. This scenario can actually happen, but in order to confirm that in this whole area we are having a correction and not impulse, I think we don't really have to jump into any unnecessary bullish conclusions, and we need to just wait a little bit more and see a continuation of this move up in here in order to take this high. And then, because this might be a 5 wave up, okay, at that point I'm gonna be open to the possibility of having some moves on the downside, and if we see the right structures, okay, this might be a bit of a bullish setup for us, suggesting this is, for example, a 1 correction for 2, and what are we going to have next? A good move up into wave 3 4 5, and right in here might be a beautiful long opportunity in here. The point that I'm trying to make is this move up can absolutely be an optimistic sign, but right now we cannot say anything with absolute certainty. I would like to suggest to just wait a little bit more and see in this phase, are we going to take this high or not? If we take it, that could be a great bullish sign in Near protocol. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Near. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.